So during your rig check in the morning, you should check your Zoll battery by pressing this button to see if it lights up with all of the 5 green lights indicating a full battery. You can see that this is the on-duty Zoll on 129 and it's plugged in, so it's currently trickle charging. You should perform the same test when you're checking the heart monitors in the engines. In this case, I'm on 121 and I'm checking the Zoll. This Zoll is not plugged in. It is not constantly charging. So you need to make sure the battery here is good. I'm gonna press the button and you can see I only get 4 out of 5 lights. So this is a great time to cycle this battery through and get it to recharge. After checking your heart monitor and the primary battery that's plugged in, you should go into drawer 11 and check out the backup battery. Backup battery should light up with 3 or 4 green lights, hopefully 5. Just remember that if you check this in the morning and discover that it's not fully charged with all 5 green lights, you can swap it out for the one in the heart monitor and it will charge up completely. So great thing to check every morning, press the little button. In this case, when I press the little button, you can see that I get an error message with a question mark. So that means this battery needs to be regenerated, possibly that this battery needs to be taken out of service. Once you determine that your battery needs to be put in a charger or set through a regeneration cycle, you need to locate your battery charging console. Here you can see there are 3 batteries in the console, and let's zoom in on this one. This battery is fully charged. You can tell because this symbol indicates that it needs to be filled. This one indicates that it's full. So I'm gonna pull this battery and put it back on the engine. I'm placing the battery with 4 bars into the charger. And you'll see that the light lights up for it to start filling. When you have a battery that gave you the question mark sign that indicates that there is a problem with the battery, you need to put it in the charger, snap it in place, and you'll see that it just lit up indicating it's filling, but you also need to press the button here that's indicated with the question mark. Now this one is being regenerated. At the end of its regeneration cycle, if there is still a problem with the battery, an orange light will light up here indicating that the battery is no good. If the battery is no good, you need to get it to Morgan and mark it out of service so Morgan can investigate further. All right, this battery is now fully charged. It's ready to go back in service on the rigs. The other 2 batteries are still in their regeneration and charging cycle. Charging stations are located at station 1 and station 3. There's not a charging station for stations 129 and 139 at the trailers right now, but if you are on 129 or 139 and you don't have full bars, remember you can always charge up that battery by swapping it into your heart monitor, making sure your heart monitor is plugged in and making sure that you are connected to Shoreline Power.